Part 3, what I learned in Sky Workshop, the art of living, breath meditation. I love this so much, that life is an expression of happiness. It's not the pursuit of happiness. It is an expression of happiness. That is learning the art of choosing to be happy right now. Now, I think you should get your pen and paper out for the next. It's 5 knowledge keys. Number 1, opposite values are complementary. You see, you got into a body, and your soul got into a body for contrast. To be able to experience light and dark, good and bad, positive, negative, polarity. That's how we learn. That's how we upgrade. So when you come across varying opinions and ways people live life, it allows you to get more certain on why you live there, or change and elevate or adjust if you need to. So opposite values are actually a gift. It's complementary. Number 2, accept people and situations as they are. We can only adjust ourselves. Number 3, don't be a football to other people's opinions. Opinions change all the time. So if you're adjusting to their opinion, you're going to be constantly adjusting yourself and not knowing exactly who you are. Number 4, don't see intentions in other people's mistakes. Everyone can make mistakes. If you add an intention, it grounds it in and makes a deeper, more negative emotion. And number 5, the present moment is inevitable. All we have is this moment right now. The future can be what you create it